Hello everyone. So I'm here with the next case study, that is case study 5, which is based on water slides and is related to chapter Introduction to Trigonometry and some applications of trigonometry. So an amusement park has two water slides for children, water slide 1 and water slide 2, as shown in the figure, and both the slides, the height of the top of the slide, that is the height of the wall, is same. So you can see the wall has been marked in the figure and the height is same in both the cases. Whereas in slide 1, the angle of inclination of the slide with the ground level is 15 degree, and in slide 2 the angle is instead of 15 degree, it is 30 degree. So a ladder is also placed against the wall in both the cases, and which is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So we are supposed to do some simple calculations related to these two slides which are there in amusement park. The first one being, it says the value of tan 15 degree can be easily calculated using formula which is given, that is tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Since we all know that the angles in the trigonometric tables that we are supposed to do does not include 15 degree, but we can easily find tan 15 degree here. So they are asking for the correct option for A and B to get the answer. That is, we have tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. That means we are supposed to tell what should be the value of A and B so that we get 15 degree. There are two values in the options that are given that can give the difference as 15 degree. One is 45, A 45 degree, B 30 degree, and second is A 30 degree, A 60 degree and B 45 degree. So we can say both option 2 and option 3 are correct in this case. Hence the last option, that is both option 2 and option 3, is the correct answer for this question. So moving ahead, it says find the value of tan 15 degree as using the formula that has been given in the question. So we select any one of the values. It can be 45, 30 for A and B respectively, or it can be 60 degree, 45 degree for A and B respectively. Here I have selected A as 45 degree and B as 30 degree. On putting the values in the formulas, I have on solving, I have the whole expression as root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. On rationalizing and simplifying, I get the correct answer, which is 2 minus root 3. Hence 2 minus root 3 is the correct option that is to be marked in the question. Now moving ahead, we are considering this case 1, that is water slide 1, where the distance of foot of slide from foot of wall is 4 plus 2 root 3 meter, and we are supposed to find the height of wall. So with respect to angle 15 degree in this right triangle which is so formed between the wall, slide and the ground level, we know that height of wall upon 4 plus 2 root 3, that is the distance of the foot of slide from foot of wall, is same as tan 15 degree. So on putting the values, we don't know the height of wall, but we know the distance. So we'll put it as 4 plus 2 root 3, and tan 15 degree, as we have calculated in the previous question, it is 2 minus root 3. So on simply solving, we have the answer as 2 meter. Here you can see 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 can be solved using a square minus b square. Now moving on to the next one, that is slide 2. We are supposed to find the length of water slide 2 in this case. Now since we know the height of the wall is same in slide 1 and slide 2, so the height of wall is here also, it is same as 2 meter. And now again, considering the right triangle so formed between the wall, slide and the ground level, we have this as the height of the wall or upon the that is the length of the slide being sine 30 degree, and on simply putting the values as height of wall as 2 and length of water slide we are supposed to find is sine 30, which is half, we get the answer as 4 meter. Now moving ahead to the last one, it says if the length of ladder in water slide 1 is a meter, then the length of ladder in water slide 2 is. So we are considering the next kind of right triangle which is being formed between the ladder, wall and the ground level, and in both the cases So in this both the cases we can see either these two triangles we can prove they are congruent, so the ladder length is same. Congruent, as we know, the height of the wall is same, one angle being 60 degree, the next being 90 degree. So the two triangles are congruent by AA as congruency, and hence the answer is A meters in both the case. Or we can simply use trigonometric ratios to find the length of ladder in both the cases, and can show that the answer remains the same, because since the height of wall is same in both the cases, angle is same, so we can say height of wall upon height of ladder is equal to sine 60 degree. So the length of the ladder comes out to be same. If it is A meter in water slide 1, then it is A meters also in water slide 2.